is like
You know,
this, so it's more sturdy.
we're gonna be helping one of my subscribers get a tiny box fan. Here, wait, don't close it. I have to plug my headset in. I'm recording since it will die quick. It's in. It's charging? Yeah, it is. Okay, let's go up. Who's it? There's only one way, and that's up. I don't know. Fudge. Fudge me. Dang it.
Oh no, my hand! It's in the floor.
I'll have to make this sacrifice. Put your hands up. There you go. Again, grab. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I wonder if they fixed it in this update though. Here you go. Oh, I don't know where to go. Blueberry, where you at? Oh, it's not this way. It's the other way. It's this way. Blueberry, you keep hitting me. I see how it is. Said you keep hitting me. I see how it is.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll get it. You get garbage.
Okay.
Yo, where's my fan?
It's on your back. It's on your back.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's not. It's not.
I see it. Yeah.
You sure? You see it? You see it on my back?
Mhm.
Oh. Well, do you know you can get red flashlights out of crates now?
Yeah.
I've got one before.
Bro, something's wrong with bags, bro. They're glitching out for me. Are they go? I feel like they were just doing that to you. That's why you couldn't get it. Moosh. We need at least 2 key cards, but we'll get another one if we need it. Come on.
Look. I put like my pickaxe on my back now.
Is that a floating mop? Do you see this too?
It's the holy mop.
Okay, yes. Okay. Just jump down.
Shortcut.
Chicken jockey. Get out.
Chicken ducky. Lava chicken.
Okay, this way. This way. Follow me. I think it's just this. I think it's this way. Yeah, it is. It is. Oh, they switched. I swear. Yeah.
We need to get dog.
I swear if they fix it.
No, my grappler. No.
Hey, okay.
Wait, where are you?
Go
Wait,
in
are
there.
you sure we don't? Oh, you got ducks.
No, so there's a glitch where you can do it with eggs. Come here, come get your tiny fan, boy. Come get your tiny fan. Oh, these aren't that tiny.
Wait.
I'm sorry, I failed you.
No, it's fine. It's still tiny.
We can do it again.
Oh yeah.
Here, stay in here. Make sure these don't despawn. I'll go grab another one.
Wait. No. Wait, my fan, it fell down.
Your grappler?
Yeah, and my fan.
We have fans up there. I'll just stay up so he doesn't kill you. I'm heading back.
Do you want to know what my tiny?
What happened?
Bro, it's blood. Actually, through my fin, and like I didn't do that, and like it's just gone.
What's
Is there
gone?
a fan on my back?
Here, wait. Come grab these. Come grab these. There's no fan. Wait.
Where's my fan? Where's my
Stop.
other
Stop
fan?
moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop. Turn around. Turn around.
Where
No.
is it?
Oh, it's not on your back. But look, look, look. Take this one.
Where's my tiny
Take that
fan?
one. Here, wait. Make sure those don't
No,
despawn. Hold
I
on.
want to do pickaxe.
No, wait. Don't do pickaxe. Don't you want your tiny fan? A tiny one? We can dupe another pickaxe, but we can dupe more items. I have 4 eggs. But let's focus on getting your tiny fan, like I promised. Here you go. Crap.
I don't know where my other tiny fan is.
Here, wait. Come grab these. Come grab these when they come out. It's caught.
Oh my god!
Did I get you it? Yeah.
This fan.
I got you it. Let's go. Okay.
There's another one for you.
Wait. What do you want to do? What else do you want to do?
Pickaxe.
Pickaxe. Okay. Let me go up here.
Yay! I'm running.
Okay. Put it in. Put it in.
I fell.
Did you put it in?
Wait, what happened?
Did you put the pickaxe in?
I fell.
Oh crap. So you didn't put the pickaxe? Dang it.
I didn't put it in yet.
Okay. Tell me when you put it in. Then I'll put this in. Go put your pickaxe in.
Okay.
You know what? It's okay.
I put it in.
Hey! Tiny pickaxes.
Yeah!
Hey, yo,
We got a
what?
galaxy one.
That ain't galaxy. Purple's galaxy. That's just pink.
Wait.
But hey!
Sure.
Yo, I'm gonna just pick them up.
Dude, where's my tiny pickaxe? Where's my super tiny pickaxe at?
Right there. Right here.
You sure? Is that it?
Yeah.
There's a tiny one. Check in your bag.
Oh, there is. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Right
Yeah,
here.
there is.
Take it, take it. Hey. Yo, low key, I'm fine with these findings.
You can take that tiny pickaxe too.
Hey, yo.
Wait, do you want to try and make like a tiny flashlight or?
Oh, we need one more key card. What? Do you have a tiny flashlight? Do you have the flashlight? Make sure the pink doesn't respawn. I'll go grab another key card, and then I'm getting off for good this time. So I gotta go get ready for the day and everything.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go play Roblox or something.
Hey, can you? Never mind. No, I was gonna see from my bag, but like, it's chill. You my little boo thing. No, I don't give a hoot what you do say, girl. Like, you my little boo thing. You want to dupe a mega flashlight?
Sure.
Okay.
Like just one little tiny flashlight that can make it big. That we actually. Do you have a mega flashlight?
Yeah, there was one on the ground.
I just love this tiny picture.
heading back.
I just love like little tiny stuff.
Oh, I swear to God, Harry's had a heart attack. Yeah.
That's a cheat.
Don't tell me I lost the bag.
You hear?
Yeah.
Where are
I'm heading back. I think you need to kind of. Oh, whoa, he's scared.
Fans are my favorite item.
Yeah. Okay, I got the mega flashlight and everything. Oh my gosh. I weigh like a gazillion pounds.
Can I do the honors?
Yeah. Here you go, get the egg. Oh, wait. Yeah. I need that point now. Pickaxe. No way. Do my games lag?